In this video, you will learn what is the concept of under enforcement section, what's its diagram, and how you find the moments of resistance and the features. Hello friend, I am Samadhi back to a new tutorial video regarding RCC design. So in my last video, I discussed about balance section. Okay, so in case you missed this video, there's a I button. Click on this I button or go to the playlist section. Then you'll find the last video and check it out. So without further delay, let's get started. First we talk about the concept. Before jump to concept, I told in last video that strain or stress generates at the same time. Yeah, and there is a case number: strain or stress compression zone first, then tensile zone; strain or stress tensile zone first, then compression zone. So this time we discuss the second combination, that stress, that means definitely permissible stress, is reached first at tensile zone. First tensile zone. Then permissible stress is reached compression zone. That means concrete, or say in compression zone, under stress and tension zone or steel achieved permissible stress or strain limit. Okay, so now we understand the diagram, then concept will be clear for you. First I draw the diagram of balance section, then you understand better. This is your beam cross section. This is your neutral axis for balance section. This is the actual for diagram for neutral axis. Now here I say that stress is reached first at tensile zone. That means, and second, permissible stress is reached compression zone. So first stress is reached in compression zone, and it at that time compression zone under stress. Suppose this value is the under stress. Now connect two lines. So now this is your neutral axis and this is your neutral axis for previous. So if this is for critical section and this is for under reinforcement section, so as per drawing I can say that neutral axis for under reinforcement section is less than neutral axis critical section. This is the very much important for MCQ point of view. Now, how should I find the moment of resistance? See, as I am saying that the stress is reached first at the tensile zone. That means chance of failure occur due to steel. So we have to find moment of resistance means moment of steel. So here moment of resistance equal to moment due to tensile steel, that is sigma st ast into d minus n by 3, where sigma st equal to permissible stress, ast equal to area of steel, d means depth, effective, and n equal to neutral axis. So this is how you have to find out when you calculate for moment of resistance. The external moment is counteract or equal to moment of tensile zone. Clear? Now we talk about some features regarding features of under reinforcement section. First point, steel is fully stressed. Where concrete is under stressed. তোমার ফোন থেকে তো ফোন আয়া কই দাও দেখি ফোন শঙ্কর কোথায় শঙ্কর তো কোনো লাইন হচ্ছে না আমার ফোনে করেছিল তাতে তো তোমার ফোন থেকে ফোন হচ্ছে না তবে ডেটা দিতে নিউট্রাল এক্সিস ভিডিও আছে এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে কথা বলছে actual neutral axis lies on critical neutral axis. That is why I am saying that this neutral axis in under reinforcement section less than neutral axis balanced section. Percentage of steel is less than balanced section. This under reinforcement section is economical also. Why? Because percentage of steel is less. 6. Failure is ductile material. Why? Because neutral axis for under reinforcement section is less than neutral axis balance section. So in that scenario lever arm is increased rather than lever arm for balance section. As lever arm increased, so material should be ductile. This I mentioned in my previous video regarding lever arm. You can watch it. Ductile. So that is why material is ductile. And moment of resistance is resistance less than the balanced section. So this is all the reason, that is why we prefer under reinforcement section for every design. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your under reinforcement section, where I discuss the concept as well as main this diagram, which is much more important for understanding, for solving MCQ question. Then I talk about how you find out the moment and talk about some features about under reinforcement section. So guys, if you find any kind of doubt, let me know in comment section. I will definitely answer your question. And if you find some value from this video, then definitely like the video and circulate the video to your friends circle and subscribe my channel for getting more that kind of content. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. In next video we'll talk about over reinforced section. Okay, over reinforcement section. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye, take care.